Host, hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the wild world of money transfer apps. Specifically, a question that plagues many of us: can you send money directly from Venmo to Cash App? Let's face it, in this age of digital everything, keeping track of multiple apps for sending and receiving cash can be a real hassle. You've got your Venmo squad for splitting bills after brunch, and then there's your Cash App crew for, well, whatever shady transactions Cash App is known for. Just kidding, mostly. Host winks playfully. But seriously, wouldn't it be amazing if you could just seamlessly transfer money between these two popular apps without the headache? Buckle up, because that's exactly what we're about to explore. Cut to split screen with Venmo and Cash App logos. Before we jump in, let's take a quick moment to appreciate the convenience these apps bring. Gone are the days of scrambling for cash or fumbling with checks. With a few taps and swipes, you can send or receive money from friends, family, or even that random stranger selling a vintage lamp on Facebook Marketplace. Trust me, we've all been there. Cut back to host. Now, back to our burning question: can you transfer directly from Venmo to Cash App? Here's the deal: dramatic pause, unfortunately, no. As of today, there's no built-in functionality for direct transfers between these two platforms. Host sighs jokingly. But don't despair yet. We wouldn't leave you hanging without some workarounds. Here are 3 ways to get your money from Venmo to Cash App. Method 1, the bank transfer boogie. This might not be the flashiest option, but it's a reliable one. Here's how it works. Transfer from Venmo to your bank account. This process is usually pretty straightforward within the Venmo app. Just choose the amount you want to transfer and select your bank account as the destination. Banks typically take 1 to 3 business days to process the transfer. Log into your Cash App. Once the funds hit your bank account, you can head over to Cash App and initiate a transfer from your bank account to your Cash App balance. This is usually instant, so you'll have your money ready to go within seconds. Cut to short animation depicting the money transfer process. Method 2, the debit card shuffle. If you're impatient and can't wait for the bank transfer to clear, this option might be faster, but with a small fee involved. Here's the drill. Transfer from Venmo to your debit card. Similar to the bank transfer, you can initiate a transfer from Venmo directly to your debit card linked to your account. This process might incur a small fee, so be sure to check Venmo's rates before you proceed. Use your debit card on Cash App. Once the money lands on your debit card, you can use it to add funds to your Cash App balance. This usually involves a processing fee from Cash App as well, so double-check their rates too. Cut to split screen with Venmo and Cash App fee structures. Method 3, the P2P payday, with a friend's help. This option involves a trusted friend who uses both Venmo and Cash App. Here's the plan. Send money to your friend on Venmo. Transfer the desired amount from your Venmo account to your friend who also has a Cash App account. Your friend sends you the money on Cash App. Once your friend receives the money on Venmo, they can then send it to you via Cash App. This method relies on trust and clear communication, so make sure your friend is aware of the situation beforehand. Cut to short animation depicting money moving between 3 people. The takeaway. While there's no direct transfer option between Venmo and Cash App, these workarounds can help you move your money between the platforms. Remember to factor in any potential fees associated with bank transfers or debit card transactions. Host smiles. Ultimately, the best method depends on your needs. If speed is your priority, the debit card shuffle might be the way to go, even with the added fees. But if you prefer a free and reliable option, the bank transfer boogie is your jam. Just be prepared to wait a few days.